This video provides instructions on how to install the Trex RainEscape system with Fascia. The simplest method is to install the trough material with 1 or 2 inches of overhang. Use the Trex RainEscape butyl tape to cover all the seams and any location where a screw will be used to secure the decking boards. When the Trex RainEscape system is in place, install the deck boards or picture framing on the deck. Measure and pre-cut the fascia boards and ensure that they fit properly. Apply a bead of Trex RainEscape caulking between the trough material and the top of the joist. Apply another bead of caulking where the soffit meets the bottom of the joist. The caulk in both instances should run the length of the fascia board that will be attached. After caulking is complete, attach the fascia according to the manufacturer's instruction. Trim off any excess trough material.